All right. Let's start again. It seems that I forgot to start the stream. Oh my god. I should recheck that. I hope everything's now okay. Um, so, what was I was talking about all that time, all the 10 minutes? Um, yes, so let me make this compile and I'll show you. So, I hope now everything's alright. Could someone please write something in this chat if that's okay? Okay, let's actually see what's inside the Discord server. What's going on there? Because maybe someone is mad there, because I just forgot to. Nope, everything's fine. Even in debug, the editor takes so much time to compile. It's really strange. So let's see. What I was talking about. Yeah. So, yes, I should just do maybe to show what I was intended to do. I need to maybe just stash my changes and compile and show what I mean. Yeah, probably that's the best way, because I was in the middle of something and then I got a message that the stream isn't online, and I'm sorry. So yeah, these are compiled, and let's see. So what I was trying to do is to change the look of the inspector a bit. So I want to get rid of these expanders, and because it looks kind of like ugly, I think, because this block is actually the properties of local transform property. So it should actually look like a shifted properties, a set of shifted properties. So everything should be shifted to the right. And yeah, that was I was trying to do, but that was missed because I just messed up the stream. So let's just pop stash and pop this stash. All right. So what I did is that I added this flag to the inspector context, to the from object method, which basically just reads everything that inspect tray provides, basically the set of properties, and creates the editors for every property it knows. And that's done in here. So everything is called recursively, and every property editor created like it should. It's wrapped in a how should it be called? in a border with a text which shows the name of the property. So as you might noticed, I messed up somehow in here, so the properties are actually shifted, have become shifted. All of the properties, not the content, but all of the properties. So I think I shouldn't actually apply the thickness in here, because what it does, it shifts the whole block of properties. And let me show what I mean. So yeah, as you can see, we don't have an expanders right now in here, but the properties, actually it looks kinda okay. Goes, yeah, I think it shows properties of the base. Yeah, yes, it looks kind of right actually. But we need to get rid of these borders. So we don't have an expander right now, but we still have these ugly borders. And to get rid of that, we probably should get rid of, yeah, right. We have this border, which actually the source of problems. So for now we will do this in a kind of hockey way, I think, or maybe not. What is best way to hide this? Actually, we can just set the foreground color to transparent, but the better way is to create the controls as we should. So in case of show property expanders, it should create the border builder with the expander inside. So it should be like this. And if we don't have this set, we should create just a stack panel builder. Let's see. Right, cool. That's great. That's great. That actually works fine. Everything's working fine. So I think it should compile now, right? Let's see. Yes. Actually, I want to check if Unity and we should look at the pictures. I want to see how what they have as an inspector. Okay, so they have an inspector per component, right? Yes, it seems so. But also, it's so bad quality in here. Yeah, it seems like they just have everything in like tree looking, I think. Where is it? I don't have the Unity installed, so I can just take a peek, and I can only use the Google images. Yes. Could you please load? Oh my god. Why is it forcing me to... where's the example of tree looking structure? Okay, so something like that, I think, is okay. What? Okay, let's see. I think looks kind of right. So we have let's create something more complex. Let's point light, right? So yeah, I think that's look kind of okay. So what's the base light? It's the base node. Let me show you in the code. what it means. Point light. It should be in here. So what's the point light? Let me do this. And the point light is a base light. The base light itself is a base node plus some other properties. You can see all of those properties in here. Like color, cast shadows. But what I don't like in this setup is that the property editors are shifted like that. And I don't think that... Yeah, the Unity has everything arranged in two columns. Like, they have offsets only on the titles of properties, not on everything. So we probably should do like they are doing, because that will look much better. So let's go back, and yeah, we should get rid of this. And what we will do instead, we will go in here and we should create we should set offset in here, but I'm not quite sure that it will work, because it doesn't takes the nesting of properties into account. So we might have a problem. So what my idea was to set an offset in just titles of properties, but we need to calculate the offset in the correct way. So that is not quite simple, actually, because everything created recursively when you have a property that have inspectable fields inside of it, and those fields are also inspectable. The inspector creates a tree, as you probably have seen already. So to do that, probably we should pass a number of probably the layer index, something like that, layer index instead of that boolean. So it should be size. And what we will do in here, we will create an offset based on that layer index. I'm not sure. Yeah, probably in here. Layer index size. Let's see what's inside the chat. Yeah, I'm using the Windows. I'm a kind of strange person to Linux guys. So let's try to create. Let's try to calculate offset in here. I probably will do just with margin. It already has a margin. All right, so I think we should do like this. We have a default margin, and if we have layer index, probably we should just do this. Left plus equals layer index as f32 times maybe 15, I think. So that should give us the increasing offset to the right. It should go like this when you have a layer index increasing. So we also should pass layer index in every create header. So it should be like this, and this. And also we still need that flag. So it should be both. The layer index, how to calculate it? That's an interesting problem. So where is the point when everything is being built? Probably some builder, right? The builder. So everything that has an inspector inside it, I think everything should have a layer index that should be passed to every layer builder. So layer index, your size. Right. I should have this. Oops, not this. This. Layer index, right? This should be 0. And in here we should just press layer index, right? Okay. Let's find out where this is called. Okay, in create instance. There's the create instance code. Yep, in here. So it will be called recursively, and to calculate the offset, we should basically add the layer index in here. So it will be passed on every iteration, on every call, on every recursive call, and we will increase the layer index on every call. So I need to do similar thing in every other builder. So it's kind of boring thing, but it should be done. Here, in here, layer index. It should be 0. Here it should be the layer index. Oh, and also I forgot to create a function that will set that layer index with layer index equals self layer index self layer index self. Yeah, it's kind of boilerplate-ish, but I think that's all right. No new comments, all right. So, 2 more places to go. Okay. The enumeration might be a problematic one because it called in a handle routed message which called from the UI code, and I'm not quite sure. Okay, let's put a 0 in here and add it to the I'm not quite sure how to handle that correctly right now, but we'll fix that later. And then here it should be like this. The layer index should be 0. And yet another time, so index. And what we have in here, it also creates. Okay, we also should pass the layer index in here. Oh my god, that's turning into mess really quick. It should be context layer index. Okay. Where is this called? Okay, it's called in here. Okay, it's layer index, and the layer index should be layer index plus 1. I hope that's correct. It should be. Yeah, it should be. But we'll find out when we will run everything. So should put that here. Yeah, what you don't like is the layer index. It also creates the items, layer index, layer index plus 1, I think. And yeah, we also have the inspectable. The inspectable should also have all of that stuff that we have added. And it should go. Where's the builder for that? Or I don't have a builder? I don't have a builder. Alright, so we don't need to mess with that. That's good. So I'm not quite sure if that's everything. Right, the array. The array should also have this layer index, context layer index plus 1. And finally this one. And right, we already have passed that. But what we don't like in here? Right, the layer index, and on sync. That's another problem. There's the sync because we should know the layer index at this moment, but the sync is called recursively, I think. Yeah, it does. So right, so we can also pass the layer index using the value from the context. So probably it should work, I think. Yep. Yep, it's created. Everything created is in create message. So what we'll do is we'll pass layer index in here, new size, layer index. Okay. And now we can extract layer index from context. Right. The context means, oh my god, the shadowing. Layer index, layer index. Sometimes the shadowing is okay, but such situations are kind of annoying. Also this layer index. Oh my god. Put this in here, layer index. However, I'm not quite sure what should I pass in here. It should probably be like +1. But we'll see. Text layer index. Yes, it should be +1. +1. +1. Right, so we'll check if it compiles. I'm pretty sure it won't. Oh, that's kind of surprising because I didn't expect that it will compile. All right, let's see what's with the editor. I'm pretty sure that we also should add layer index in here. I've probably messed something up with the +1s, but we'll see. Any new comments? Nope. Let's see. Also, yeah, the brush panel already. We should already pass the layer index 0. Oh, I shouldn't probably do this because it will recompile the editor again. It didn't even start. So this is all right. The sync should have 0 in here. This change context should have 0 because that's the entry point. It will recursively call the from object method in child properties, in descendant properties, to be precise. So, and what is that? This is the terrain panel, the brush panel. It also uses the inspector to show the properties of the current brush. All right, let's see. Moment of truth. All right, it's kind of working, but we should create something more complex. Right. It's actually working. It's kind of surprising. What's wrong? All right. It is not working for enumerations, but I think that's because I forgot to add some +1 somewhere. Actually, where's the layer index is used? I think that's, where is that? Yeah, this guy. Let's set it to 1 and see if it will fix the problem. I'm not quite sure how to get the layer index in there. So let's see. Oh, nope. It actually, let's change something. Okay, we also should hide the expanders for yeah, I think we also could just get rid of the expanders entirely, because they are kind of confusing. They're like, we don't probably need them at all. But I'm still not sure why is the enumeration is working in this way. The layer index, it should be not +1, because we should set the +1 in here, and we're doing it. Yes, in the great instance. +1. All right. Probably this one. And I'm not quite sure if this is needed. Let's see. This piece of code triggers when we change in the enumeration variant. So when we selecting something from the drop-down list, and I think no, we will find out in a second. Nope, it still don't want to work as it should. Why so? Oops. What? What is that crash? Attempt to borrow destroyed object. Oh my god. That's getting serious. I'm not quite sure. I'm not even sure that that's the problem of the new code. That might be something. All right, I've probably just, yeah, I just changed the, this is known bug when you change the lifetime to some, and the engine just destroys that object. And yeah, I shouldn't do that. Probably this, yeah, this works fine. I'm still not sure why. All right, let's see. I have a debugger, and let's find out how to get in there. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, probably in here. Yep. And that should be called in here, I suppose. Or maybe. Is it set? Yeah, it's set. Right. So why do you call it? That's strange, because I didn't select anything. All right, so let's see what we've got here. The context, the layer index. What is that? What is that garbage? Oh, maybe I set a breakpoint to to the point when we are exiting the function, and it might destroy that already. So let's rerun that. Oh, I shouldn't probably rerun that, but whatever. Why do you keep calling that? You shouldn't do that. All right, let's see. Let's see again. What the hell is that? I'm pretty sure that it is actually initialized. Why it is showing me the garbage in here? And it is compiled in debug? Wow, what the hell is going on here? Oh my god, this useless debugger. Let's see. It's kind of useless because it shows me the garbage. Even if I step over, it shows me the freaking garbage. What's wrong with you? Oh my god, let's see what we have somewhere in where it should be. The change context. It's 0. And what we have in here, the layer index is 0. No problems. Why the hell we have the garbage value in here? Is that a problem in debugger or oh my god. Yeah, it's kind of useless. Okay, so it creates variant selector. I know why it happens. Probably. Yeah. That happens because it has a custom title. Yeah, we can have that. And this is what documentation tells us. Title of a property that usually just a text of property with a property display name could be handle none. In this case, inspector will automatically create a text with a property name. And this is the case. So what it does, it creates header for us if we didn't define one. So what should we do instead? We should maybe move the margin from here, the calculation of margin here, to wrap property. What wrap property does, it creates a grid with two rows or 2 columns. That depends on the layout of the property editor, and it also attaches the title and the editor to correct rows and columns. So it arranges either horizontally or vertically. So what we want to do is to move this piece of code from here to here. And this margin, yes, this should go here. Okay. So we borrow in title in here. Let's call this title ref. Title ref. That should be, yes, something like this. And title ref, set margin, and margin, and pass the margin in here. Right. So And we should move this third parameter out of here and put it in raw property. And the last parameter, layer index. Yep. Layer index. And the last one, layer index. And probably it should compile. Nope, because, yeah, right. Because we don't need that in here anymore. It should compile now. Yes, it compiles. Let's see what we will have. It takes time, but that's all right. That's kind of normal. So let's see. Let's see if it works. Light. Yep, it works. But enumerations are again a pain in the ass. And that happens because the enumerations have custom builder for title. Where is that? Oh god, I'm kind of lost. Ah, yeah, right here. So what it does, it creates builder, and it shifts the text near it. So what we will do instead, we will just revert what we have changed in here, because this isn't the right solution. Yep. So it should compile again as we have reverted changes. So yeah, I probably should have done this from the start in here. So what I need is to like create a free function. Let me call it like make offset margin, maybe make layer margin. And in here we should pass the layer index. Layer index size, and it will return the thickness. Something like this margin. And in here we'll call this layer index. Like so. We'll go to enumeration again and put this into here. Yep. Right. And it probably should compile. Nope. Why? Why so? Ah, right. Yes. Because of this. Use the import. Remove that, and it should compile now. Oh my god. What have I done? Yeah. Let's see the reference again. Maybe I should check the Unreal Engine inspector, because I'm pretty sure that it's much closer to what we have in rg3d. Where is that? Maybe it goes. Ah, right. Go details panel in there. So it has the expanders. I should have installed the Unreal Editor before starting working on this one, because it would help a lot. But probably, yeah, it works fine now. All right. What it lacks currently is the tree lines, like this line, this line, these small lines, this line. So let me just draw this quickly for you. Ideally, it should have something like, not so thick, not so thick, something like that. It should have something like this, right? So it should be, it should show the relations. So this base has these properties. It also has the local transform, and the local transform has local scale, which is the local scale. I should probably move or make this column stretchable. This is actually possible to add. These lines are kinda yeah, I think these lines should be as part of the each property, I think. Or maybe not. I'm not sure. But Unreal Editor does not have such lines, so I'm kinda confused right now. The Unity also doesn't have that. Let's check the Godot. The Godot. It should like be the. Let's find out. Does it have hierarchical properties? Does it even have it? Maybe in here. This is quite outdated, I think. Yeah. Oh no, the new inspector. It seems that it doesn't have hierarchical properties. Oh, maybe not. In here? Yeah, it have hierarchical properties, but made very weirdly. All right, let's see. Let's see what we can do in our case. Probably we should probably start from giving more space to this column. And this is fixed for now. It should be tweakable using the single variable, single constant. I'm not sure where it's located, but yeah, in here. Probably this value should be okay-ish. And also we should reduce the this value. Probably 10 pixels is okay. Yes. I'm pretty sure that there is like 10 or just a bit more pixels. Let's see. Or where I'm going. It should be in here. Right, it looks much better. But sometimes the property is still clipped. Okay. But what we have lost is the ability to collapse the group. So sometimes you want to collapse the properties that you don't want to see, and the expanders were kind of useful in that case. Maybe if you have something like this, which is kind of weird. Ideally, it should have something like this tree have. Which, unfortunately, I can't just reuse the tree because it does not allow to have a fixed column like this one. So it would look like it will shift everything to the right. So we can't have the nice looking column like we do have in here, as in the tree. So probably this actually looks kind of okay. What the Unity does? Let's check again. Where is a good example? Yes, the inspector window, I think. Yeah, it has this and this. So probably I'm not sure how to do this. It still looks kind of okay, like so. But it would be better to have those expanders. Also, I want to check if, yeah, that's that 0 in here, I think. Yep, this one. And we also should get rid of this. Also, we should check the mesh. What it have? It have the surfaces. Oh, it actually. Am I wrong or? It looks kind of what we want. So let's see what will happen if we modify. Where is that? We need to find the recall of this one. Nope, that's what I don't want to see. But probably true. This is the example, the inspector example, and yeah, we'll fix that. Show property expanders true. Show property expanders true. 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 And true. And in here, I want to see if it will look okay-ish if I just turn everything on but remove this border. How will it look? And will it have correct like how it should be called, correct offsets? Let's find out. Okay. It looks kind of bad, actually. Or maybe not. No, it looks kind of bad because it is left. It is on left side. And the offset of the title is kinda weird. Why do I see that border? I'm pretty sure that I have removed that. Where it comes from? That should be collection. Let's see. Does it have a border? Yes, it has. Border builder. All right, it has. Yeah, I thought it also has an expander, the rich item. So what we need to do is to get rid of this. Yep, and array items should look much better now. I'm pretty sure also that we can set an offset for that button, the expander. Is that possible? No, probably not. But it is easy to fix. All right, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, the mesh. If we yeah, it looks kind of bad. I'm pretty sure that though we can pretty easily can move that. The expander, I think. I mean, yeah. Probably we should just add the. We should either add the custom expander support, or we should add just a margin. I'm pretty sure that for the stream, we should just add the margin. It should be expander margin, thickness, expander margin, and the default value is, I think it supports default. default trait. That's default implementation. Yes, you're right. So it should be in here. Margin. So the expander margin. And I should add another function here with expander margin. Mutable self. Expander margin thickness self expander margin self. All right, and we also should go in here and in here. All right, and this is kind of confusing because with expander margin. So, oh my god, this becomes a very hacky because we need to have the header with no offset, but the offset should be in here. So it should partially work. Let's see if it compiles. All right, it compiles. Don't bother with the warnings for now. Okay. The Unity have this offset, this small offset too. So I'm probably sure that I'm sure that it will be all right. Let's find out. Where it should be. Just a mesh. Okay. It works. Kinda works, but we should have this expander shifted to the right, but this involves some dirty hacks again. I don't like to set some numeric values, but we don't have any other option in here. What are you doing? Let's mutable margin. Do in a hacky way, then I'll probably fix that by myself after stream. Margin left minus equals to probably I should just check which 8. It have 8 for arrow and 24 for the checkbox. Minus 24 and we should do left minus 24, and here we should do the apps. Or maybe no, not an apps. Max 0. Let's see. I'm pretty sure that maybe 24 is quite big, but we'll find out. Hello everyone. I see the comments in Russian, but this stream intended to the wider audience. Yeah. So forgive me, I won't speak in Russian here. So you kinda you should maybe should learn the English, I think. So what we have in here, it looks kinda Looks kind of okay, isn't it? Let's see. I want it to be tweakable. So this value is very annoying because it should be calculated automatically, because having anything hard-coded like this would probably be a pain in the future, because you can have the ability to patch that value from the user code. It is like a constant. Having it configurable in here is not an option, because maybe it is an option actually, but I don't like that solution. So what I want to do in here, I want to add some more properties in the expander builder. I want to have this row configurable. So what I want to do is to set expander size f32 f32 this one, and what I want to have in here, I want to have probably, yeah, we'll have this 20, maybe not 22 and 22, yeah, and vertically. So and this will have this with self expander size dot x with height self expander size dot y, and this one will be auto, so it will this this row and this column will have the size of this expander, and this expander will have the size that will pass in here. So let's just copy this with expander size 2. Right, so something like that, and now we can configure the width of the expander. So probably on the width will be we need some low value, probably 15. 16 should be okay. And expand width, I really dislike this solution with this dirty hack, but I don't see any other option right now. Maybe I come up with some better solution in the future, but not for now. With expander size, actually it should be not a width but size, expander size, and it will be vector 2 expander size, and let's check if it compiles. Yeah, it does. It takes much more time than I expected. So probably today I won't show you the curve editor. I wanted to start writing the curve editor, but I pretty much stuck with this one, with the inspector, and I don't have time for other stuff. So let's find out if it fixed anything. Oh my god. Yeah, that messed up everything. So let's see why. It's that happened because I said this from strict. Wait, let's find out. Undersize.x. Oh my, no. Dot y. Let's see. That might be related. That might be a bug actually, because I changed the grid layout recently, so that might be just an edge case that I didn't found during the testing. So we'll just have a fixed value for now. Let's see. Nope, it's still pretty messed up. This is quite interesting. Why it happens? What did I change in here? Vertical alignment center. I am confused right now. Why it... it actually on a... It actually lies on a different column, or on a different row. What the hell is going on? This is very interesting. Let's see. Okay. This row has a fixed height, and the column is an auto. And it should be on the left side. Should be on the left side, but this is very interesting. I'm kind of lost right now. Wait, so strange. What we're doing in here, we're creating a grid with one column, which is like single column, and two rows, where on one row we have right. Yeah, that's not gonna work because I forgot how the checkbox builder works and what the width and height actually does in here, because the checkbox, as you can see, is a check mark and a text near it. So when you set the fixed width, you set the fixed width for the entire checkbox, which also means that there will be like no no space for text. And I'm not sure how to fix that. All right, I probably should revert that, because it won't gonna work like that. Okay, we have learned something new today. Let's see. All right. Yes. 24. Yes, and the width of checkbox is set in the checkbox itself. So oh my god, my brain is about to explode right now. I'm kind of lost in my code. So yeah, as you can see, it have a strict column. And what does that mean? Is that it will have a strict width. Let's see what the auto will do. It's kind of interesting. So let's find out. All right, it looks kind of okay-ish with auto, because now it's like more shrinked. Let's find out what we will have in the inspector. All right, it actually looks kind of okay. Yeah, it looks kind of okay. It's a bit too narrow, but it looks much better than that white box that we have had previously. Do I have some more? Yeah, I do. So yes, and it looks okay even if we have some deep hierarchy, but I'm kind of confused. Yeah, that's that problem. Yeah, right. So basically, we still have the property name and the name of how it called, the type container. I think it should be called like that, because this one is a property name and this one is a name of the type. So let me show you. Transform. Yes, this have a manual implementation of the inspectorate. Everything else have it derived using the proc macro, but this one have it implemented manually, and we can see that it have a group called transform, and we can see that that group is in here. So what we want to do is to get rid of this one and replace this with this, and this should probably fix this problem, I suppose. Yeah, because having the base light, and base, and local transform is very confusing. We should try to move to remove this and moving in here. Let's think how to do that. I also want to see if, yeah. Oh my god, that zero strikes again. In here, this ugly bastard. You should also deal with it, because it ruins the hierarchy, as you can see. So if we do this, oh no, it actually, that's quite surprising. The levels, yeah, we need to fix that, because this is very confusing. Oh my god. I want to see if this will fix that temporarily. Let's find out. All right. Light, point light. And the load group, nope, it didn't. So let's revert that. And that was the enumeration. Nope, it is collection, I think. It is collection, and where is the content? Item inspector. How it should be? It should have. I'm not sure. Item inspector, where it created? Item inspector. Right, in here. With context, layer index. It should be +1, I think. Let's see. I'm not sure. Let's see. Where is that lot group? No. Nope. It isn't this one. This is kind of confusing. Okay. Let me think about it. This should be. I'm not sure what it should be. Maybe it should be. Where is it called? Called in two places. And one place is the build, and create items, create item use, and create items. And this is called with correct, with correct value, which kind of interesting. All right, let's try to figure that out. This is kind of annoying. I think root is okay. The load group plus it actually creates the offset, but not for items. So this is the property editor for the load group, and you also have these levels. This one is inspectable, I think, inspectable property editor, and this one is an item of the collection property editor. So I think each item should be created with the layer index +1, but we already passing that. Ah, right. It have the same as the enumeration. Oh my god. Exactly. We should do exactly the same in here. I totally forgot about it. So I'm a bit tired. It's evening for me. So please forget my stupidity. Maybe I doesn't see like obvious things. Let's find out where we have the custom title. Probably we need right axis. What the right axis. So yeah, in here, this is default. This is default. Enumeration and collection. Enumeration have this fixed. Inspectable. This is default, and default. And that should be, and that should fix this issue, I think, at least. But we will find out. This task actually takes quite a lot of time. I didn't expect it to be like so. But on the other side, it is a good news, because we will have something to talk on the other stream, and that will be the start of writing the curve editor. Yeah, new scene, light, and load group. This is annoying. Why it does not have the correct offset? No, let's see what the enumeration have. the layer index. It actually kind of works, because, or maybe not. So let's see. This one have a where is the yeah, the add button is on the right side, yeah, right, and the text have this margin. Okay, and it does have margin, but it doesn't seem it works. Maybe it doesn't work because this enumeration is kinda not working right. Okay, let's see. The enumeration, where it creates the internal editor, the internal inspector. His layer index should be +1. That's okay. So this, how the layer index should be +1, I think. Let's find out. So nope, it shouldn't be +1. Oh, actually, I'm pretty sure I got where it happens. Don't tell me that it isn't here. Let's see. I'm pretty sure that it isn't here. Where is this called? The layer index from object. The layer index +1. Oh my god. This is so annoying. Log group. Oh my god. This is not funny. So I think that's the can't find this place. Maybe it's in create message actually. It creates the inspector for the context for actually this is a synchronization. sync also have it +1. Not quite sure. Oh, actually, maybe this one, because oh, maybe not. I'm confused. Have no idea what happens here. Oh my god. Maybe. So what this piece of code does, it creates the editor itself, and this one creates the title of the enumeration property itself. Let's check again. Let's check again, because I'm keep getting confused. Maybe I don't see an obvious thing. Let's find out. So the enumeration editor have the correct offset, but when we select something, the content does not have the correct offset. And why it happens? Because let's find out who calls this. Create message, the context. It happens in sync. It should not start from the 0. Probably. Let's see. It should have. It should take the layer index of a parent, right? Not the index coming from in here. Yeah, it should start from here and go in this direction. I'm pretty sure that's the problem. But the calls should be called in hierarchical order. So this is kind of confusing. Yeah. So maybe chat have an answer? Nope. Maybe I should just stop looking for a solution here and switch to something else, because I'm just wasting the time. I'll probably find the solution after the stream, because it's kind of late, and yeah, I'm just tired. So let's see. I still want to fix the other problem, to get rid of this one and to put this title in here. Maybe Is it even the right solution? Because each property has this useful, or maybe not so useful, tooltip. And if I put this one in here, I may just lose this one, this tooltip. Not sure. Okay, pretty sure that it is kind of okay to have everything without these expanders for now. Yeah, probably I will just stick with this solution for now. I don't have too much time today to fix that. Just get stuck in this. So annoying. But that's the nature of programming. You never know when you will stuck. Okay, yeah, that looks kind of okay, I think. What will I need to find out why this happens, and it will probably be fixed for now. Right. So yeah, that's the for tomorrow, I think, because now also we have this interesting bug. Wink. Yeah. I shouldn't do this. I probably should set the minimum value for that. Minimum width for a checkbox. For the check mark, this is check mark and check, and the grid. Yeah, too much work, and so much, so little time left. Yeah. Okay, probably that's it for today. I don't have any thoughts that could help me in this situation. I need to figure that out after the stream, because I need to sleep and rethink on the problem with a fresh mind. So yeah, thanks everybody for watching the stream. See you on the next one. Bye.